What's the difference between this mop head and this mop head? This is a cotton mop head for the Tovar spin mop. You can see the fibers are cotton and not microfiber. This is the microfiber spin mop for the Tovar spin mop. You can see the fibers are microfiber. The difference between the two is not just the material, but what surfaces you should use them on. For smooth surfaces like wood or pergo, I like to use the microfiber because it glides smooth and it mops really well. But because it's a smooth surface, it does not get the microfiber matted and knotty. If you try using the microfiber on any kind of stone or concrete or bumpy surfaces, you will find that the microfiber can start getting matted up and caught in the grooves and the bumps, and you don't want that for your microfiber. So it's good to use the microfiber mop heads on smooth surfaces. I like using the cotton mop heads on bumpier surfaces. Such as concrete or tile or granite flooring. Since it's cotton, you can use it on bumpier surfaces, on surfaces that may have little cracks and grooves. Use the cotton mop head because it will not get knotted. It will not mat up while you're mopping, so you'll get a better mopping experience. So I would suggest the microfiber mop heads for smooth surfaces, and I would suggest the cotton mop heads for bumpier surfaces. That's a great question. Which mop head is better for the Tovar spin mop, the triangular one or the round one? I love both. I say grab one of each, grab at least 2 or 3 of the triangular and grab 2 or 3 of the round one. Because as you're mopping, you're gonna take it off, you're gonna wash it, you gotta let it air dry because you don't wanna put it in the washing machine. So you need to have enough, especially if you have a cleaning business. If you don't have a cleaning business, you wanna have enough mop heads in your home so that you can have enough to mop with. The difference that I find in the triangular mop head compared to the round mop head is coverage area. So I find that it's easier to mop spaces with corners, like let's say in between a toilet. You want to use the triangular one because you can get into the corners better because of the pointed corners. When you're mopping an area with a larger space, I find the round mop head is really good to use because you get really good coverage all the way around. Both of them are great to have. They're super durable. The Tovar spin mops are awesome, so grab the round and grab the triangular. If you currently have the Tovar spin mop and you have the round head, did you know you can buy the triangular attachment to fit on here? And that way you can use the triangular mop heads on your round Tovar spin mop by making this round to triangular. So you can use the round mop head or you can use the triangular mop head for the Tovar spin mop. Grab them with my link down below. Where can you get the Tovar cotton mop head? In their Clean Freak bundle. Link down below. You get the mop bucket, you get the gray cotton mop head, you get the green cotton mop head, and you get a microfiber mop head. And you get 2 dusters. Since microfiber is a more delicate surface, it can easily get matted or knotted if you use too much dish soap to mop with or very hot water. You don't want to use scalding hot water on microfiber because it will melt the fabric. Do not use very hot water on microfiber. You will ruin the fibers. Washing spin mop heads are super easy. I wash my spin mops separately. I don't mix them with towels or cloths so they don't capture lint. Good laundry detergent, get some OxyClean in there, give it a good wash, and then air dry. Don't put them in the dryer. Don't use fabric softener. If you live in a nice area where you can line dry them outside, that's even a better idea. Comes out nice and crunchy, clean. Grab some more mop heads with my link down below. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.